Good day everyone, welcome to today's video. What I got in this package right now, I just got from Amazon, is something that on a recent four-wheeling trip, me and Fedor did not have. I thought I had some, but I didn't. But this little, probably 50-cent part can mean the difference of being stranded on the trail possibly and making it out. Let's have a look. Now, this is a whole kit of stuff. Just because it's a better deal to buy a whole kit than just for the little things that I wanted. I know this sounds petty, but the only thing I needed from this whole kit, but I just got the whole kit to have, was the valve cores. Fedor on the trail had damaged his valve core and none of us had a spare, so he had to take the valve core from a spare tire to get us off the trail. Years ago I purchased a couple of these Smittybilt tire repair kits when I went on my trip to Alaska, and I've never really opened them since I got them, but for some reason I thought they came with valve cores, but apparently not. Or if they did, they disappeared. They came with plugs, patches, tools, etc., but nothing that we needed on the day. So this kit comes with new valve stems. They're pretty short. Valve cores, lifetime supply probably. A tool to remove them. But this kit off Amazon was actually pretty cheap. It was like $13 or whatever. You can buy them really cheap, so little insurance to have when you're out wheeling. Because last thing you want is be out in the bush somewhere with a bummed up tire because you damaged your valve core airing down or airing up. That would really suck. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you have any experiences similar to mine where you had an issue on the trail, didn't have a valve core, post your story below. I'd love to hear it. I'll see you guys in the next one.